Hey there, fashion enthusiasts. Are you ready to turn your passion for style into a flourishing business? Well, you're in luck. Because today I'm going to show you how to start your very own clothing brand in 2024. Picture this. You're walking down the street and everyone is wearing your designs. Sounds amazing, right? Well, buckle up because I'm about to spill the secrets to making that dream a reality. Step 1. Grab a pen and get ready to brainstorm. Your clothing brand success starts with a solid concept. What's your unique selling point? What's your target audience's style? Jot down all these ideas and select the ones that truly resonate with you. Step 2, market research. It's essential to know your industry inside and out. Analyze the market trends, study your competitors, and identify a gap you can fill. Don't be afraid to think outside the box and bring something fresh to the table. Step number 3, embrace the power of social media. In 2024, social media is a game changer for any business, especially in the fashion industry. Create eye-catching content, share behind-the-scenes moments, and engage with your audience. Trust me, building a strong online presence will take your brand to new heights. Step 4, it's time to bring your designs to life. Whether you're a seasoned designer or you're just starting out, finding a reliable manufacturer is crucial. Quality is key, so make sure to test your samples, create prototypes, and ensure your products align with your brand's vision. Step 5, make a splash with physical presence. In the digital age, having a physical store might seem less important, but nothing beats the experience of customers trying on your clothes in person. Consider pop-up shops, collaborations, or even a flagship store if you're feeling ambitious. Step 6, build a solid team. Running a clothing brand is a tough job, but you don't have to do it all alone. Surround yourself with talented individuals who share your passion and can help you navigate the challenges that come your way. Collaboration is a key in this industry. Step number 7, focus on customer experience. Your brand's success relies heavily on happy, satisfied customers. Provide exceptional customer service, prioritize quality products, and listen to feedback. Remember, word of mouth is a powerful tool in building a loyal following. Step 8, let's talk about the power of Google Ads. In today's digitally driven society, online advertising has become a game changer, allowing businesses of all sizes to reach their target audience with precision. But what's different in 2024? Well, buckle up. In 2024, online shopping has skyrocketed to new heights, and the competition in the fashion industry is fiercer than ever. This is where Google Ads steps in to help you maximize your brand's visibility and reach. By leveraging Google Ads, you can target customers actively searching for trendy apparel or related keywords. The beauty of it is that you can tailor your campaigns to specific demographics, interests, and even geographic locations. Get your brand in front of the right people at the right time. Imagine seeing your website traffic soar and your conversions skyrocket as your brand becomes the talk of town. By investing in Google Ads, you can position your clothing brand at the forefront of your audience's minds, outshine your competitors, and turn your fashion passion into a profitable venture. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. These are the steps, are your blueprint for starting a successful clothing brand in 2024. So if you're ready to turn that passion for fashion into a thriving business, go out there, be bold, and make your mark on the fashion scene. Now, it's time to make your dreams a reality. Reach out to me to see how I can help you create your fashion brand.